class 1, good morning. How are you? Fine. So class 1, in our previous part only we have completed one chapter of grammar. Okay, and what was the chapter? The chapter was one and meaning. Okay, now we are here with your course book. Okay, and we are going to start one new chapter here, and the chapter's number is chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Please, Thank You and Pardon Me. Please, thank you and pardon me. This chapter is a poem. ये chapter क्या है? ये एक poem है. Like our chapter 1 was a poem. What does little birdie say? I hope that you have learned the poem as I have told you. Means long ago, long time before I have told you that you have to learn the poem. Likewise, as you have learned that poem, you have to learn this poem also. But first we will read it, then we will learn it, and then we will learn and understand it. Okay. So here I am starting your new poem, that is Please, Thank You and Pardon Me. Now, first of all, we will learn the meaning of, we will understand the meaning of the words please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. What is the meaning of please? And what is the use of please? You must be using the word please. आप word use करते होंगे ना? Please word आप use करते होंगे. When do you use the word please? आप please word कब use करते हैं? When you need to request for anything. जब आपको किसी चीज के लिए किसी की help चाहिए होती है, then you use the word please. Okay? Like, could you please give me a glass of water? क्या आप मुझे एक ग्लास पानी देंगे? Could you please pass me that pencil? क्या आप मुझे ये को पेंसिल देंगे? Please give me your crayons. मुझे अपने crayons दे दीजिए please. Likewise, we use the word please and it feels very good. जब हमें कोई please बोल के कोई चीज़ बोलता है, okay, when somebody uses the word please and if he or she asks for anything, we feel very good. Do you know why? Because please is a very polite word. Please जो होता है वो बहुत polite word होता है. That's why it feels very good to listen the word please. Same with thank you. When somebody helps you, जब आपकी कोई help करता है, we say them thank you. And if I or you help somebody, the same is told to you. अगर मैं भी किसी की हेल्प करूंगी तो मुझे भी लोग थैंक यू बोलेंगे. And this word thank you is a very polite word. Okay? Like please, thank you is also a polite word, and as we feel good by saying please and by listening please, we feel good for thank you also. And this word pardon me, P-A-R-D-O-N, pardon me. Pardon me means the same word then that you are using as sorry. Pardon me में हम किसी से किसी चीज़ के लिए excuse मांगते हैं. Like if somebody is saying you, hey, hello. If suppose I have to say something, hey, pass me that piece of chalk. If that person has not listened it, अगर उस person ने उसको सुना नहीं है, तो he or she says pardon me. Pardon me means it has two use. ये बोलने का एक तरीका है कि मैंने सुना नहीं, क्या sorry, आप फिर से बोल दीजिए. Okay? Or if you have done any mistake, अगर आपसे कोई mistake हो जाता है, then also we say sorry or pardon me. So these three words, please, thank you and pardon me, are the three golden words, or you can say these are the magic words. These are the magic words, and it feels very good if somebody says us Please, thank you and pardon me. Okay, so please, thank you and pardon me is a poem about politeness. Polite का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by polite? जब बहुत किसी के बात करने का तरीका बहुत प्यारा होता है, बहुत अच्छा होता है, okay? Or if somebody's behavior is very good, it is called polite. Okay, so please, thank you and pardon me is a poem about politeness. Your teacher and parents must have taught you about manners, है ना? Manners are very important if we want to lead a good life. They help us live peacefully and happily with our friends, classmates, family and neighbors. The words mentioned in this poem help us to be polite and have good manners. Read on to learn more. जैसे कि हमारे पेरेंट्स और हमारे टीचर्स भी हमको सिखाते हैं कि पोलाइट बनना है, ओके? आपका मैनर अच्छा होना चाहिए. मैनर का मतलब होता है कि आपके बोलने का तरीका अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपके बिहेव करने का तरीका अच्छा होना चाहिए. इफ़ वी आर हैविंग गुड मैनर्स विद अस, दैट मीन्स वी आर हैविंग अ गुड लाइफ. हमारा लाइफ भी अच्छा होगा और लोग हमें पसंद भी करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस पोयम प्लीज थैंक यू एंड पार्डन मी इट्स अबाउट पोलाइटनेस, कि आप कैसे पोलाइट बन सकते हो एंड इफ यू वांट आप दूसरों को भी पोलाइट बना सकते हो. ओके, because if we are polite, others are polite to us, and if others are polite, we are polite to them. Okay, so the poem is, see, I am keeping my pointer to the words of the poem, and you also have to read it. Okay, you also have to read it with me. आपको भी मैम के साथ उसे रीड करना है, रीड करने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट आफ्टर द क्लास गेट्स ओवर. जब क्लास ओवर हो जाएगा तब भी आपको रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करनी है, एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क ऑफ द डे. द होमवर्क इज रीड द पोएम. द होमवर्क इज read the poem. Okay, now I am going to make you learn how you have to read the poem. Okay, and by we have to learn it also. हमको इसको learn भी करना है. Okay, first I will read it and then I will recite it. Okay, so shall I start? P-L-E-A-S-E, please. T-H-A-N-K, thank you. A-N-D, and P-A-R-D-O-N, pardon me. Please, thank you and pardon me. Repeat after me. Please, thank you and pardon me. One more time. Please, thank you and pardon me. What are the three words? Please, thank you and pardon me. Please, thank you and pardon me. Please, thank you and pardon me. Now, how do we say please? Please का मतलब होता है रिक्वेस्ट करना. So, please, thank you and pardon me. Please, thank you and pardon me. Please, thank you and pardon me. Are such nice words to say. Please, thank you and pardon me. Are such nice words to say. Come on, sing with me. Please, thank you and pardon me. Please, thank you and pardon me. Are such nice words to say. Please, thank you and pardon me. Are such nice words to say. To teachers and to little friends. Here it is written, to teacher and to little friends. To teacher and to little friends. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teacher and to little friends. Here, the word little is misprinted. The word little is misprinted. Okay, there is no gap between L and T. So it is Little. Maybe it is in your book also. शायद ये आपकी book में भी होगा. Okay, so don't get confused. Confused नहीं होना है. That is the single word Little. Little. So the poem is please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teacher and to little friends for what they do each day. So this poem means that please, thank you and pardon me जो होते हैं वो nice words होते हैं. कैसे words होते हैं? Nice words होते हैं and we should use them within us. हमको ये सारे words को हमारे friends के साथ, हमारे teachers के साथ use करना चाहिए. When we talk to them, we should use these words. And why do we use these words? So, for what they do each day. जो हम एक दूसरे के साथ करते हैं या फिर जो हम एक दूसरे के साथ connected है और we can do something for us. So we should use these words. Please, thank you and pardon me. So the poem is please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. Now here we have done these 4 lines. Now here from this line to this line it is given and how do we use the words please, thank you and pardon me. Okay, so here please, I need some crayons now. Please, I need some crayons now. मुझे कुछ crayons की ज़रूरत है. I thank you if I may. अगर आप देंगे तो I will tell you thank you. And pardon me, I did not hear. What is that you say? एक बच्चे ने दूसरे बच्चे से कहा, one child is saying to the another child that please, I need some crayons now. मुझे कुछ crayons चाहिए. Then the second child said, okay, the first child is saying that please, I need some crayons now. I thank you if I may. मुझे कुछ crayons चाहिए. अगर आप देंगे तो I will be thankful to you. Now the second child says, and pardon me. And pardon me, I did not hear. मैंने तो नहीं सुना आपने क्या कहा. Okay, what is that you say? So the lines are please, I need some crayons now. I thank you if I may. And the second child is saying that, and pardon me, I did not hear. What is that you say? So, here in the poem, the one child is saying that, please, I need some crayons. If you will give me, I will be thankful to you. And the second child says that, I did not hear. Pardon me. What have you said? जो भी आपने बोला मैंने नहीं सुना. और जब उसने नहीं सुना तो वो ये वर्ड यूज कर रहा है pardon me. Whenever anybody says you pardon, that means he wants to listen it one more time. उसे फिर से सुनना है. Okay. Now the next line is please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say. Try them once, try them twice. You will like to talk that way. और पोएम में लास्ट में ये बोला जा रहा है कि आपको ये वर्ड्स हमेशा यूज करना है, आपको ये वर्ड्स हमेशा यूज करना है, because if you will use these words you will become polite. अगर आप ये सारे वर्ड्स यूज करेंगे तो आप भी पोलाइट बन जाएंगे. So one more time I am going to recite the poem. You will, what you will do, you will try to read it at home and you have to learn at least 4 lines today. आज आपको at least 4 lines इसका learn करना है. So listen it more and more time. बार बार सुनिए and then try to learn it and try to read it. So what is the poem? Please, thank you and pardon me. Repeat it with me. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. So these are the 4 lines of the poem that you need to read, that you need to learn, and after that tomorrow we will learn the next 4 lines and the later part we will learn the poem as a whole. Okay, 4 lines करके अगर हम याद करेंगे तो हमें ये थोड़ा थोड़ा डेली लर्न हो जाएगा. So now my question to you is, what are the 3 nice words? What are the 3 nice words? The 3 nice words are thank you, please, pardon me. Thank you, please, pardon me. Okay. Now class 1, take out your course book, page number 26. First we will do the book work, then tomorrow there is a surprise for you. Okay, we will have one activity. Okay, we'll have one activity like you made the red raincoat in chapter 2. I'm going to make something special for you tomorrow in the next class, but today it was your poem reading class. So be ready for the next class for a wonderful activity. And what you need to do in that activity, do you know? You will need some colorful papers, scissor, of course gum, and one marker to write. Okay, so that will be done in the next class. Okay, for this class is your reading class. This class is your reading class. Now class 1, take out page number 26, that is, and today your homework is read the poem. Class 1, take out the next page of the chapter, that is page number 26, and the exercise is A1. Complete these. Please, thank you. The exercise is, please complete these sentences. So, and the sentences, there is a blank here, we have to fill it. First we will read it, then we will fill it. Okay, so number 1, what is number 1? Number 1 is said. They are nice words. They are nice words. N-I-C-E. Please pardon me and thank you are nice words to use. Number 2. We can say these 3 words to dash and to dash. The poem says, please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. So, please, thank you and pardon me, these words, how do we use? To whom do we say this? We can say these 3 words to teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, and to little friends, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Do it fast. It is on page number 26. The poem is, please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teacher and to little friends for what they do each day. Now, have you all completed it? Now, we will go to exercise A2. It is choose the correct answer, put a tick mark. Okay, and this exercise is very simple. This exercise is very simple. Do you know what we have to do in this? We just have to read this, what is written here, and here in the exercise, it asks us that when do we use please, when do we use pardon me, and when do we use thank you. And 3 options are given. Okay, and out of these 3 options, one option is correct that we have to mark. Okay, now come to the first question. Choose the correct answer, put a tick mark. The first question is, we say please, P-L-E-A-S-E, please, when. We say please when. हम please कब बोलते हैं? The options are, we ask for something, जब हमें कुछ मांगना होता है या कुछ पूछना होता है. We give something, जब हम कुछ देते हैं. And C says, we take something, जब हम कुछ लेते हैं. Give means देना and take means लेना. So, what is the correct option for it? We say please when. हम please कब बोलते हैं? When we ask for something, जब हमें कुछ पूछना होता है या फिर हमें कुछ चाहिए होता है. So, option A is correct. We say please when we ask for something. Option A is the correct answer. Mark it fast so that we could go to the next question. So, I am here. The next question is number 2. And what is number 2? Number 2 is, we say pardon me. We say pardon me. We say sorry. Okay. We say pardon me when. Option A says, we want to say thank you. जब हमें thank you कहना होता है तो हम sorry कहते हैं. ऐसा होता है क्या? When we want to say thank you, तो हम पार्डन मी बोलते हैं? नो। नंबर बी, वी वांट टू स्लीप, जब हमें सोना होता है तो हम सॉरी कहते हैं, पार्डन मी। डू यू से दिस वन व्हेन यू स्लीप? कहते हो क्या मम्मी पार्डन मी? नो, वी से गुड नाइट। एंड सी इज we want to say sorry, so we say pardon me when we want to say sorry. So option C is the correct answer. We say pardon me when we want to say sorry. जब sorry कहना होता है तो हम pardon me कहते हैं. Now number 3, we say thank you. हम thank you कब कहते हैं? A, someone hurts us. B, someone helps us. Someone shouts at us. हम थैंक यू कब बोलते हैं? जब हमें कोई चोट पहुंचाता है, जब हमें कोई चोट पहुंचाता है या फिर हम किसी से सैड हो जाते हैं, देन वी से थैंक यू। क्या आप जब सैड होते हो तो थैंक यू कहते हो? नो। ऑप्शन बी, समवन हेल्प्स अस, जब हमारी कोई मदद करता है। Yes, we say thank you when somebody helps us. जब हमारी कोई मदद करता है तो we say thank you. And option C is when someone shouts at us. जब हमें कोई गुस्सा करता है, चिल्लाता है, तो क्या हम उसे thank you कहते हैं? No, we don't say thank you when somebody shouts at us. Okay, so here we have completed 2 exercises. The first one was fill in the blanks and the second one was choose the correct option. Okay, one more little exercise, we will do it on page number 27. It is just an exercise. It is just an exercise of matchings. Okay, so I am here with this page in which many actions are going on. Many actions are going on. After that we will revise the poem one more time. Okay, now see, the words are written here in this exercise and you have to match the words to their actions. वो words को उनके action से match करना है. First we will read it, then we will match it. So first one is running. What is the word? Running. The word is running. 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 So who is running here? She is reading. She is skipping. They are cycling. Or you can say they are riding, swimming, cooking. And this is running. So match the word running to this picture. Running. Next is skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G-ing. Skipping. Skipping. See the word? Skip. P-P-I-N-G. Ping. So this is the word skipping. So who is skipping here? S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Skipping. See the word again. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. This girl is skipping. Now the next is R-E-A-D-I-N-G. R-E-A-D, read. I-N-G, ing. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. This girl is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Now the next is, see the word? S-W, swap. I says E, is swimming. That boy is swimming. And the next is R-I-D-I-N-G, ding. Riding. R-I-D-I-N-G, ding. Riding. R-I-D-I-N-G, ding. Riding. The children are riding. What they are riding? Are they riding horse? क्या वो घोड़े की सवारी कर रहे हैं? No. They are cycling. They are riding they are riding bicycles. And the last is C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. And who is cooking? Mother is cooking. So, do you know these all are action words? ये सब कौन से वर्ड्स है? एक्शन वर्ड्स है. रनिंग, स्किपिंग, स्विमिंग, रीडिंग, riding and cooking are the action words. So, class 1, today what did we do? We learned one poem. And what is the poem? Please, thank you and pardon me are such nice words to say to teachers and to little friends for what they do each day. And your homework is you have to read the poem and learn at least 4 lines. Poem read करना है और 4 lines orally learn करना है. Okay? और जब आपको लिखना होगा तो मैम बोलेंगे कि आपको वो लिखना है. And next we did 2 exercises, A1 and A2. And the third exercise we have done just now. So class, as I have told you that in our next class we will have one activity and we will have some writing work in the notebook. Okay? So class 1, be safe, be happy, obey your parents, drink lots and lots of water और घर से बाहर नहीं निकलना. Okay? So that's all for today. Have a nice day.